I stumble through the wreckage, rusted from the rain. There's nothing left to salvage, no one left to blame. Among the broken mirrors, I don't look the same. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain.
I sleep until 9, being the boss's son. I eat my breakfast with my silver spoon. Honey, what Cheerios? That's fucking sus, baby. I don't eat breakfast. You know what my breakfast was this morning? A pack of Marlboro Reds, 2 black coffees, and a shot of Fireball whiskey. 85 hours a motherfucking day.
Come on, crush me like a flower, rusted from the rain. Come on, strip me of my power, beat me with your chains. And if I'm the king of cowards, you're the queen of pain. I'm rusted from the rain. I'm rusted from the rain.
We're loading up the E299 this morning. Couldn't go get the mulcher. We were short-handed on trucks because truck 7's at the shop, some issues with it. So we're gonna go to the airport and prep a field so that a farmer can plant it. That's what we're up to.
You can take it off if you want.
Well, I just want to see what's behind
Yeah.
Yeah, no. That's where you fucking tighten them. Dude, if you didn't tighten that, this fucking thing was gone today. That's fucked. Okay, so we got the guys. I thought that we had chocolate chip cookies, and then the girls were laughing. And I found out that the cookies in the bag, because we went to some kind of craft coffee place. But it's like sesame seed paste. Tahini. It's tahini. So, yeah. So the boys, I'm not gonna tell them, and they're gonna drink tahini, or eat tahini, and we're gonna see what they say. And then I got you a cookie. Is it good?
They're fucking great.
Is it?
Why, you didn't have one?
No, I haven't had it yet. I want to make sure you guys are fed before I have mine.
Nice guy, eh?
1 out of 10 cookie. That's pretty good. Like 6.5, 7? I'll take that. Interesting. It's chewy. Yeah, it's chewy. Real chocolate chip cookie. This is another one of those projects where we were here last October, full site work, laneway, land clearing, dig, septic, which we're standing on. And it's really cool because a lot of times we don't get to come back and kind of show what's going on and everything. And it's always good to kind of compare and see. It's a video, isn't it? Fuck.
Louis Vuitton umbrella when I walk through the rain. In the kitchen whipping chicken, kind of bread like Kane's. Good dog, got a Mexican looking like Johnny Dane. Eat deep muddy water stick, carry my cane. Right pocket got money, left pocket cocaine. Bulletproof white Cadillac riding in the tank. I'm a dirty bag baby from dirty bag with a dirty case. Slide down your block, light it up with flames.
We're gonna get ready to move this trailer that's been here for about 25 years. It was my grandfather's trailer, not Ken White, but my other grandfather, Robert Lytle. He was an airplane mechanic slash kind of moving company. Now this is his old Duff trailer. We're keeping this trailer, we're getting rid of the other one, but the first things first is getting them out of here, and we'll be able to show you, but this thing is buried right to the nuts because it's been here for 25 years. So moving it should be interesting. You wanna come over here? Well, okay. Well, we're kind of at a standstill without you here. Well, just get over here, you cocksucker. Fucking shovel operators, eh?
What's up, boat now?
Get him to bring his bucket down, curl in, and we'll go through it to the other hole. That's perfect. Okay, let's go to the other end. Nice. There's still air in the fucking tire.
Going pretty smoothly. I kind of expected it to come out in 2 pieces, but they didn't. See how this one goes?
Yeah, oh, easy. This one's not out yet. Land clearing specially. Might buy you a new truck.
Yeah, you don't need to move that.
Yeah. First one went too good. This one's gotta go fuck. Look at the smile on Dad's face. He's like loving. I haven't seen him that smile that hard in a long time. All right, no one can be as awesome as me, but that. Okay, we got the second trailer right cocked out here now. Dad's gonna come across here. We'll pull him out. There's stuff in this trailer that's got to go in the good trailer. This is the one that we're gonna sell to the scrap guy. He's gonna come pick it up. Other than that, both trailers are done. Cube van's gonna come out. But as far as my job here, it is done. Both trailers are out. We finito. It went fucking great.
Look, Kara,
Just break the dozer.
Corey got you a bunch of candy. Perfect breakfast.
Candy, perfect. That's what she needs.
She like stop talking.
She's scared of you.
Just stop talking.
I don't blame her.
I wouldn't blame her either.
See you later, Corey.
We have engine oil.
Yeah, me too. Mine's fucking black though.
Yeah, my engine oil is black. We don't discriminate. My machine says white, my oil is black.
Got a gun that my granddad gave me. They say one day they're gonna round up. Well, that shit might fly in the city. Good luck, try that in a small town. See how far you make it down the road. Around here we take care of our own. You cross that line, it won't take long for you to find out. I recommend you don't. Try that in a small town full of good old boys.
You just keep the grapple on the entire time. You just grab the other shit you need. Fucking perfect.
What's up? Showing her the ropes. Got her shades on. She's got her Timberland boots on just like Dad. This looks good. Wanted to come down. The guys yesterday were gloating about how cool and awesome they were. I would have to agree, it looks really good. All right, we are heavy fucking duty trucking here. Put her in D and fucking wah! Fuck yeah, Catherine's got gum. Thanks, Catherine. Well, and we got mascara. Perfect.
That dear hoe didn't want me, damn hot hoes all on me. That dear hoe didn't want me, damn hot hoes all on me. That dear hoe didn't want me, damn hot hoes all on me.
We're here at the job site. I'm super trucking today because Catherine's off. Got the old trusty 2021 here, 4700 automatic. Yeah, we're hauling septic sand in here today. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. You want Elgin? You want Elgin?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You be able to get out of here okay? You know how to drive this thing?
I'm learning.
D for dummy. Here goes another oil tank.
Well, I've been working like a dog on a slow grind. A couple side hustles, doubles, and some overtime. Cause time is money ticking out here on this rural route. Can't take it with you when you go, so I'm all about to sun up to sundown. Just trying to be the warm buffer of this town. Yeah, this work can't put a house out in Malibu, but let me tell you what it can do. It can put a Rolex on a redneck. It can put some inches on your big black Chevy. It can put a Yeti on your back deck, slab full of long necks, camo on your brand new Benelli. Yeah, it can put some pearl on your saddle, some gator on your boots.
See that right there?
Could be beard though.
That's a fucking mic track. You can tell by the way it is. There's a lot of toe pressure because legend has it he's got a huge fucking dog on him. So when he walks really like this.
Fuck, we got Connor, my cousin here, by himself working, and I show up and we rented trucks on by the hour, and he's fucking sitting here. Never have rented trucks sitting. Never. We're gonna go tell him that. We're gonna go give him a blast of fucking shit. Son of a bitch. Oh, we got a big issue. Oh, fucking clickbait. Big issues on job site. Fuck that bullshit, dude.
Move that. I'm gonna get him to go here.
There?
Yeah. Jay, he's got room there?
Yeah, we'll make sure he's got room. We'll just get him dumped. So, anyways, we'll just dump it. So yeah, this is the Elgin bed that I was hauling material to. There's some footage of that. Us getting loaded to the pit and whatnot. This looks good. They got it all inspected. Everything passed. Connor's over there. He's situated now. He kind of knows the right way to get everything all in. Don't keep the trucks waiting. That is the wrap up of this video. We've had a lot of footage. Apologize for the 3-week span. Sometimes that's just how it works out here. We're always on Instagram and TikTok as well, so make sure to check us out on that shit. Pat's link is down below. But yeah, great video. Work's busy, season's super busy. Everyone's working. It's gonna be a good year. Already is a good year, baby. Ken White to the top. Catch you on the next one. But of course, I didn't forget of you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire video to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below. KWC to the top. Why? Because KWC, we are non-stop. We're gonna keep going. And nothing's gonna stop in our way to be the best construction company in all of Canada, baby. Or the world. We're not done yet. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below. KWC on top. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. As always, take care. I have the camera now.